I just seen this pretty cool cooking hack, but I'm always cooking with ginger and garlic pretty much every day and using avocado oil. But I'm so tired of cutting up the garlic and then just fingers get all sticky and smelly. And I was thinking, well, I saw this tip and it would save a lot of time too, actually. But this is what you would need: just the garlic, ginger, ice cube trays, and the oil. So basically, I'm just gonna mince these up. Mince that up, mince this up. All right, let's start with the garlic. Yeah, I might as well just use the whole head. Let's see, I put the garlic in here for now. All right, ginger. Okay, from there, I guess I don't need this. I'll just fill up these ice cube trays. I'm not sure how much to put in yet. Maybe a teaspoon of each one. Let me see. I'm just gonna try to go with a teaspoon in each ice cube. Alright, let me get another tray. I didn't fill the ones at the ends because it has that right there, the overflow, I guess. So I didn't fill those in. I just filled the middle in. Alright, I'll fill up another tray later, but from there, just fill it up with avocado oil. Or whatever oil you like to use. Or something like that. And throw that in the freezer. Alright. Put it in the freezer and let that freeze. Alright. Here they go frozen. Let's get them out. Let's see. Oh, there it goes. See, there it is. Garlic, ginger, and avocado oil. Ready to go. Let's see, let me get a bag here. Okay, got a Ziploc here. Just throw it in there. Get the rest of these out. This will save time. I pretty much cook with that every day. Just like that. Throw it in the freezer. Use it whenever you're ready.